Hey guys, look what I got. I get all excited when I get new stuff. This is the next pots and pans set that I'm going to be using on the show. And it is from Calphalon. It's their Calphalon Classic. And I also got their utensils right there. So we're going to try these out for all of 2018. I'm a big fan of Calphalon. The pots and pans that I liked so far has been Cook's Essential, which is from QVC. They put out a great product of pots and pans. Rachel Ray does a great job on her pots and pans. They seem to hold up pretty well. I had the Calphalon white ceramic enamel, whatever they're calling it, porcelain. I don't know. I had the white interior. I just don't like that it was white. I do a lot of pasta sauce, and putting pasta sauce in a white pot just freaks me out. That held up pretty good, but I was always nervous about it. I don't even know. Just by personal reasons. So though all those pots and pans are great, this is the just standard regular Calphalon, and I've been a big fan of this. I've had them as long as I've had Tefal in my kitchen. But this is going to be fun. So let's break it open. I'll show you what I got. Here it is. It's a 5-piece nylon set, and it looks like your generic set, right? But let me show you a few differences. This is the spatula for the set, and if you notice, it's got a corner edge here. It's specifically for getting into the edge of the pot, and when you're stirring a pot or whatever it is, you're scraping a bowl or whatever, this corner allows you to get into the crack so you don't leave anything behind and everything gets mixed. I'm a little bummed they didn't make this a ladle. I mean, it's just a spoon without holes, and they've got the corner edge here. See that? Here's the spoon version with the holes for straining. There's your corner edge again. All of them have that. This is something I never use. I don't really cook pasta a lot, or spaghetti, but this is for grabbing spaghetti. And this hole, I guess, is for measuring spaghetti. That's what they show in the picture, but I never use this. And this one's unique. Here's your spatula. And your spatula not only has the corner edge, see, but it also has a serrated edge. So if I'm cutting something, I can use the serrated edge to cut it. If I'm going to serve even a cake, I want to just cut a cake and get under it and whatever it is. I have no idea. All right, so we're going to do a quick rundown. You've got your 12-inch skillet. You've got your 2 frying pans, an 8-inch and a 10-inch. And the beauty is the 10-inch can also use the lid that's on the skillet. Love. Same diameter. You've got your 1.5 quart, your 2.5 quart, and here's your sauce pot. And every single one of these lids, the sauce pot lid, this lid, and this lid has straining holes on the perimeter. See that? So if you notice, there's a little lip sticking out right here for pouring. There's one on each side of this, and the stock pot. They're all designed the same. So what you do is you take the holes and make sure they don't line up with this lip right now while you're cooking. Whether you're making rice, you want it sealed, right? And then when you're ready to drain the water, you just rotate this to where the lip and the holes line up. And then you just hold the lid and just pour it out, and you're left with all the goodness inside. The other thing I like is the Y design on the handles. See this Y right here? Every one of these has a Y design to prevent the heat transfer up the handle. I don't know how it works. I'm not a scientist, but I know that design is really good. They feel great. They got a great, just strong coating of non-stick, and we're going to be trying this out throughout the year of 2018. So there it is. This set here cost me $186, but I didn't use any discounts or anything on sale or anything. I just bought it straight out off of Amazon. So what you can do is order this through Bed Bath & Beyond and use a 20% off. You can also wait for Kohl's, 30% off. They carry Calphalon, and give this a try. But let me try it out first, okay? The utensil set was only 22 bucks, so that's pretty cool. So there's your pricing. You guys will be watching this all year. I'm excited, and I will see you on the next episode with the new Calphalon pots and pans.